One of the things I hear most often from people over 60 is this: I drink plenty of water, but I still feel tired. My legs cramp up, my muscles feel heavy, and I just don't have the same energy. If you've felt like that too, you're not alone. You might be pouring glass after glass of water each day, doing your best to stay healthy. But here's the truth. After a certain age, your body changes the way it uses that water. And it's not just about drinking enough. It's about getting that water into your muscles, where it actually keeps you strong, mobile, and active. I like to think of muscles as soft sponges. When they're well hydrated, they're plump, springy, and ready to move. But when they're dehydrated, even just a little, they feel stiff, heavy, and more prone to injury. The tricky part? As we get older, our muscles don't absorb water as easily as they used to. There are two main reasons for that. First, with age, we naturally lose muscle mass, something called sarcopenia. Less muscle means less storage space for water. Second, the cells in our muscles get a little less efficient at pulling water inside, especially if they don't have the right minerals to help. It's like trying to water a plant without first loosening the soil. The water just runs right off. That's why even if you're drinking your 8 glasses a day, your muscles could still be thirsty. And thirsty muscles lead to fatigue, slower recovery after activity, more cramps, and even a greater risk of falls. Something we all want to avoid. But here's the exciting part. There's a simple, natural, and inexpensive way to help your muscles hold on to more of that water you're already drinking. And it's so easy you can start tomorrow morning. All it takes is one small addition to your glass of water, something you probably already have in your kitchen. Before I share it with you, let me say this. This tip isn't just about hydration. It's about helping you stay independent, keep your balance, and have the energy to enjoy the things you love, whether that's gardening, playing with your grandchildren, or taking your favorite evening walk. So, let's take a moment to understand exactly why this works. And then I'll walk you step by step through how to make it, when to drink it, and how to get the very best results. Here's something most people don't realize. Water is only half of the hydration story. The other half is electrolytes. Now, that word might sound technical, but I promise. It's just a fancy name for minerals your body needs. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, and a few others. Think of electrolytes as tiny helpers that carry water into your muscle cells. Without them, it's like trying to post a letter without an address. The water just passes through your system without reaching the right place. But with the right electrolytes, water gets pulled deep into your muscle fibers, where it's stored and ready to use. Sodium helps start this process. Potassium keeps it balanced. Magnesium keeps your muscles relaxed and ready for action. And when these work together, your muscles stay hydrated, flexible, and strong. Now, here's where the magic happens. You don't need to buy expensive sports drinks full of sugar, artificial colors, and chemicals. You can make a far healthier electrolyte drink at home. 4 pennies, with 2 natural ingredients. Fresh lemon juice, pink Himalayan salt. Lemon juice gives you potassium for muscle hydration, plus vitamin C to support repair and reduce inflammation. Pink Himalayan salt gives you sodium and over 80 trace minerals like magnesium and calcium that work together to help water enter your cells. And the best part? Tastes light and refreshing, not heavy or artificial. Let's make it together. Here's the recipe. 1 glass of filtered water, about 250 milliliters or 8 ounces, juice of half a fresh lemon, a small pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Stir it until the salt dissolves completely. That's it. You now have a natural, muscle-friendly hydration drink. When should you drink it? I recommend first thing in the morning, right after you wake up, because that's when your body is most dehydrated after a night's sleep. It's also perfect after light activity, like a morning walk, gardening, or even household chores, to help your muscles recover and store water efficiently. If you have no medical restrictions on salt, 1 to 2 glasses a day is fine for most people. But if you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on specific medications, it's important to check with your doctor first. Some people find the flavor a little tangy at first. If that's you, try adding a few slices of cucumber or a sprig of mint. You can also make a larger batch in the morning and sip it throughout the day, especially in warmer weather. I have to tell you, I've seen people make this small change and notice big improvements. A woman in her 70s told me that after 2 weeks she felt more energetic in the afternoons and had fewer leg cramps at night. She didn't change anything else, just added this to her water. That's the power of helping your muscles hold on to hydration. And the science backs it up. Studies show that when electrolytes are balanced, water absorption into muscle cells improves. Energy production in those muscles increases, and the risk of cramping drops significantly. Now, while this lemon and pink Himalayan salt drink is a fantastic start, hydration is more than just what you sip. It's also what you eat. You can think of it like filling a sponge, not just with a hose, but also with a light mist from different directions. The more ways you help your muscles take in and hold water, the better you'll feel. Let's start with hydrating foods. Some fruits and vegetables are over 90% water, which means they read like nature's own hydration packets, but they come with bonus nutrients. Take watermelon, for example. It's not only refreshing, but also contains potassium and magnesium. Oranges are another wonderful choice. They give you vitamin C and natural sugars that help pull water into your cells. Then there's cucumber, incredibly cooling, hydrating, and easy to add to salads or even your water. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, they're rich in magnesium, which calms muscle tension and supports proper nerve function. It's important for avoiding those sudden sharp cramps. And coconut water in moderation can be a natural electrolyte drink, especially if you're active. Here's a simple way to bring this all together. Start your morning with the lemon salt water drink. At lunch, have a side salad with cucumber and spinach. For an afternoon snack, enjoy a bowl of watermelon or orange slices. Keep a bottle of plain water nearby for sipping between meals. Small. Consistent habits like these add up to steady hydration throughout the day, without the need for overly sweet sports drinks or expensive powders. Now, I want to address a common myth. If I'm not thirsty, I don't need water. This might be true for younger people, but after 60, your sense of thirst can become less reliable. By the time you feel thirsty, you might already be mildly dehydrated. That's why it's important to have a routine. Drinking water and electrolyte-rich fluids at set times, rather than waiting for thirst to guide you. Another myth, only athletes need electrolytes. Not true. Well, it's true. Athletes lose electrolytes through sweat. Seniors also lose them, sometimes more subtly, through regular breathing, digestion, and even certain medications. And without replacing them, your muscles can't store water as effectively. One more gentle tip: avoid relying on only coffee or tea for fluids. While a cup or two is fine, these can act as mild diuretics, meaning they encourage your body to release more water. If you do enjoy your morning coffee, just make sure you're pairing it with extra water afterwards. You put all these pieces together. The lemon salt water, it's hydrating foods, a steady routine. You're not just drinking water. You're feeding your muscles the tools they need to stay strong, flexible, and ready to support you every day. And there you have it. Just a simple addition to your daily water can make a world of difference, especially after 60. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling your muscles less tired, and staying hydrated in a way your body truly appreciates. If you've been dealing with fatigue, muscle cramps, or just that sluggish afternoon feeling, this tiny daily habit might be the refreshing boost you've been waiting for. And the best part? It's so easy, you can start today. So here's my friendly challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, try adding this to your water. Give it a week. And see how your body feels. Then come back here and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you enjoyed this tip and want more natural science-backed ways to feel your best after 60, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Hack Your Health so you never miss our next simple but powerful health hack. Take care of yourself, stay hydrated, and remember, small daily choices can lead to big changes over time. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplements.